Agency Reco, totoo na to this time guys. So agency recommendation that accepts a virtual assistant with no prior experience. Let's go. Punta lang kayo guys sa 247VA. So click nyo to, 247va.com. Ito guys yung website nila. According to their website, meron din sila dito mga awards and recognitions. All you have to do guys is to click here, find remote jobs. And let's check first their application process. So ito guys, ito yung first step ng application process nila. First is basic skill check. And then next is the application requirement. So if you pass the basic skills check, you will send out the list of requirements. And tingin ko yung list ng requirements nila is about computer lang. Computer, headset, with noise cancelling. But kahit sinong agency talaga nila-require yun, syempre. And then of course, proceed na kayo sa initial interview, skill assessment, and then final interview, and finally, client endorsement. So ito yung mga job openings nila. Let's say wala kang experience as a VA but you have call center experience. Pwede ka dito sa telemarketing and appointment setter. Let's say medical billing VA yung pinili nyo. Ito yung magiging task nyo. And then ang qualification lang is of course dual monitor is required. Attention to details, prior experience is a huge advantage. But again, you can still apply if you don't have any experience. Try this administrative VA. Check natin yung requirement. Okay, so here's the qualification for administrative VA. Again guys, that's the only qualification. If you have that, but you don't have any experience, go for it. Apply for this one. So guys, i-check nyo yung website and then mag-apply ka na. Ngayon na. Bye!